Topping the news tonight, Fresno County expecting its largest weekly COVID vaccine allocation next week, meaning even more eligible residents will be able to get their shot. Our Jocelyn Moran is live from the Fresno County Department of Public Health with more on this. Jocelyn.
Well, the Fresno County Department of Public Health says they're expecting 43,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine next week. 10,000 of them are the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Now, as we reported yesterday, Governor Gavin Newsom announced that 40% of doses in the state are going to vulnerable communities. We asked the county health department how that applies here locally.
I think what it's going to do is we're going to evaluate where we're at with those zip codes and where that's going. And so I think it just gives us even more focus and more intention of what we're already doing.
Joe Prado with the Fresno County Department of Public Health says reaching vulnerable communities with vaccinations is something they have already been doing. But with Governor Gavin Newsom's announcement that 40% of doses will be going to these underserved areas of the state, Prado says it gives them an opportunity to determine in what areas they need to improve on. This announcement does not mean anyone who lives in those zip codes can get the vaccine. Prado says they still have to fall under the tiers that are eligible.
That is something we're still enforcing at all of our clinics, is making sure you're within tier.
And he says he does not think this will affect when the county moves into the next tiers of eligibility. Currently in Fresno County, those 65 and older and those who work in education, childcare, food, and agriculture are eligible. On March 15th, those with certain underlying health conditions will become eligible. And although the county is receiving higher allocations, when more people in the county could become eligible is still unclear.
We're really ecstatic that there are more vaccines that are coming into the county, but as you'll recall, when we first started our vaccine rollout, we really estimated that we need to be at 50 to 60,000 a week.
Now, for those who are eligible in Fresno County, we have a link on our website that takes you to the different vaccination sites as well as links on where to register. That's on yourcentralvalley.com. Live in Fresno, Jocelyn Moran, KSEE 24, local news that matters.